Hi, I'm Ryan Wilden. I'm the U.S. Technical Sales Director for INOGENI, and we are here at InfoComm 2025. And I'm excited to introduce you to our IP to USB converter. So INOGENI has developed this innovation to allow you to connect NDI cameras to a Microsoft Teams or Zoom room for a room PC. So with the IP to USB, you can actually take a single NDI camera and direct connect it to the IP port. So you can connect that single camera directly to your Microsoft Teams or Zoom room, or you can connect this to a switch with multiple NDI cameras, and you can, via a third-party control system, switch between multiple camera streams. So if you've got a large multi-purpose conference room or divisible space with cameras in multiple rooms, that allows you to connect all those cameras via the network and switch those to a single USB-C connection to a Microsoft Teams room. It will feature USB audio as well, so you can connect up a DSP or a speaker bar that is USB and combine that together in the IP to USB to allow for a really simple installation for Microsoft Teams or Zoom in a room environment where you may need that type of capability. And we're really excited. This is going to start shipping in November. Start shipping in November, and really excited about this. You can find out more at inogeni.com.